Hello everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm. And today we are visiting at Orchid Lakeview project. Orchid Lakeview is located at Agrahara, Bangalore. This is a Rera Registered project and ready to move in. So now we are moving into the apartment. So here, as you can see, we have the living room. And over there we have the dining area. So here is the modular kitchen, very well fitted and beautifully designed with the utility section. Orchid Lakeview is one of the residential developments of Goyal and construction. It is in Bellandur, South Bangalore. This project offers spacious and designed 2 and 3 BHK apartments. Goyal Orchid Lakeview is a quality product from the house of the renowned builders. So friends, here we have the balcony attached with the living room. Goyal Orchid Lakeview offers a bird's eye view of the nearby water bodies and green landscapes. The project has a mix of open, recreational spaces that have unique flavors of their own. So now we are moving towards the bedroom area. So here we have the first bedroom. It's very spacious and skillfully designed. This bedroom is having an attached washroom with an attached balcony. This project consists of 6 towers with 15 floors each and total 336 number of units. This project is built across 4.17 acres of land. So friends, here comes the another bedroom. So here we have the washroom. So now moving towards the amenities of the project. This project will provide you 24-hour security, 24/7 water supply, aerobic centers, car parking, children play area, clubhouse, and many more. So friends, thank you for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for real estate booking, kindly contact at the given number. Thank you.